Now in this class, we are going to discuss conversion of D flip-flop to T flip-flop. For this conversion, we need truth table of T flip-flop, T flip-flop truth table. Okay, and that truth table is we have like this: T Qn Qn plus one, T having two values 0 and 1. We have present state don't care, and Qn is a Qn and Qn bar. Okay, so this is the truth table of T flip-flop. Next part we need, that is the excitation table of D flip-flop. So for the excitation table of D, we have Qn, Qn plus 1 and D. Okay, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So for this 0 0, D value is 0. For this 0 1, D value is 1. 1 0, D value is 0, and 1 1, D value is 1. So this is the excitation table of D flip-flop. Next part, that is we have to elaborate T flip-flop 0 0 Qn present. It means it has two values 0 1 and T equal to 1. Present state is 0 1 and the output, that is the next state, Qn plus 1. So here present state is the same in a Qn plus 1 next if T is equal to 0, and here is a 1, here is a 1 and 0. So if T is equal to 1, then we are getting complement. Okay, and if T is equal to 0, we are getting same value. Okay, now this is about truth table of T, 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 that is the truth table of T. Next, we have to consider D flip-flop excitation table. Now for D flip-flop excitation table, we have to consider Qn and Qn plus 1. So if Qn 0, Qn plus 1 is a 0, then D input is a 0, 1 1, D input is a 1, 0 1, D input is a 1, and 1 0, D input is a 0. So in this way, we have made table with two things, that are excitation table of D and truth table of T. Okay. After that, we have to plot KMF for KMF KMF T. Okay. Now we have input variables for D, that are T and Qn. Okay. So T having two values 0, 1, Qn having two values 0, 1. Okay. Now TQn 0, 0. The value of D is 0. Okay. 0, 1. Value of D is 1. 0, 1. Value of D is 1. 1, 0. Value of D is 1. 1, 0. Value of D is 1. And 1, 1. Value of D is 0. Now we have diagonal cells are having 1. Then you can write equation T is equal to this, D is equal to T bar Qn plus T Qn bar. Okay. So finally you can write equation here, that is T XOR Qn. Okay. Now we have D flip flop logic symbol. Okay. And Qn plus Qn bar, these are outputs. Okay. Now for the D input we have to XOR T and Qn. T and Qn. Now this symbol represents the conversion of D flip flop to T flip flop. So in this way we have to convert D flip flop into toggle flip flop.